So I said, we already had the standard compression program at Facebook in the 1970s and early 80s. And then in 2007, 2008, breakthrough algorithms fully implemented in using the C programming language. So I emailed them to NASA and ESA and the tech companies like Microsoft, Google, IBM, Intel, and others. The proofs, the C source codes and binary Excel files were proofs of the correctness of those data compression algorithms. Mga breakthroughs yun in data compression algorithms. Like Z standard. Very fast. And better than the usual 65% compression ratio attained by the zip compression format or zip compression programs. But I also had data compression algorithms which compresses on average 85% plus compression ratios and also 94% or 95% compression ratios on average. So those are very advanced, especially those advanced compression programs for me, those breakthrough data compression programs for me, which attain or compresses on average 94% to 95% compression ratios. Yung mga yung napatunay na marunong ako ng data compression. And that I was saying, I own Microsoft in the 1970s. I created Microsoft products and technologies. So I knew computer programming. Yung may na-produce nga ako although C programming language lang gamit ko, C language lang gamit ko sa una, the real data compression programs, they fully compresses and decompresses an original file, and then outputs or decompresses into the real original file. Ang compressive file na output ng compression program fully decompressed by my decompression program into the output na original file. So mga tungo na yun, C language lang gamit ko. And then napabilis ko na using parallel programming. And then at that time, 1 week, 2 weeks na, 1 month, or in 2 months, I was able to produce data compression programs in C++ language. Yung bigay ko ang C standard yata, .exe, sa Facebook, C++ code yata yun. Or yung LCS .exe, or C standard.exe. Para, kumbaga, medyo advanced din not just C. May C++ code talaga ako na binigay sa kanila. Sinend sa kanila. Because nga, in 1970s, I created and developed as part of our Microsoft products and technologies, I developed and co-developed the Visual Studio compiler suite of Microsoft. We developed that time in the 1970s Visual C++, and then again Visual Basic, and also Visual J++. So I knew data compression programming, even the hard compiler design in the 1970s. Created ko nga ang Visual Studio. I even co-developed during that time to help other groups the Borland C++ compilers. BCC32, gawa ko yan. Turbo C, gawa namin. BCC32, BCC64, gawa rin namin yan. 1970s. In fact, in the 1980s, pinaalala sa akin BCC32.exe ng Borland. Ginawa namin yun ulit, na-recompile namin. 1980s. So gawa ko yan, compilers, yung Microsoft and Borland and others. Kaya nga, when I was remembering, although hindi ganun kagaling, at least nakapag-program pa rin ako ng data compression program using C language. Meron namang C programming language book ako that time. Naalala ko ang 1970s namin. And yun nga, para medyo advanced nga dating talaga, advanced, nag-aralan ko sa C++. And as luck would have it, I found some faster C++ code. When compiled nga, is faster. I used them for in developing my data compression program, advanced, using C++. One or two another advanced breakthrough data compression algorithms implemented via C++ language. Compression program output.exe written in C++ if they decompile it. But of course, I also included the source code, C++ source code in emailing them. So yung sa tingin ko, yung C standard.exe ko, baka yung LC hash lang, yung hash-based compression program lang yung C++ code in C++ code. O yung iba rin, hindi lang isa, kasi kung nakagawa ko niya ng C++ program, data compression program, hindi lang isang gagawin ko. Maybe 2 or more din. Para advance din sa dating nila, sa paningin nila, ang dating. Para advance din ang dating. Kaya talagang ginawa ko ng C++. Although, wala akong niyan, wala akong niyang, wala akong GUI editor niyan. Buti na lang, nagkaroon ako ng ganyan, nakakuha na ako na sa internet na G++ yata, G++ GCC compiler. Yan 2008, 2009, up to 2000 nag-email ako. Yung mga gamit ko. So hindi ako sanay that time na na visual compiler, yung GUI editor. Pero siguro trinay ko rin. Kasi naalala ko when we were coding Microsoft Windows 3.1 and Microsoft Windows 95, 98. Siyempre, ang gamit namin GUI compiler. Visual editor. Yung mga naalala ko lahat yan, pati yung Visual Studio Code, naalala ko. Meron separate lang. Pati mga data compression programs data compression program names mga naalala ko, alalahanin ko lang susubukan ko lang i-remember. Kung merong WinZip, merong tinatawag na, sabi ko, gigahertz, terahertz, megahertz, meron kayang megazip, meron kayang gigazip, meron kayang nanosip. Hindi malala parang meron nga nanosip gawa namin meron nga. Meron kayang terazip. So, ina-analyze ko lang by words. Kung meron, inaalala ko meron nga. And then yun nga, sabi ko, meron kayang Z standard, zip standard. Meron kayang magpapangalan ng Z standard mismo. Kaya masyadong mahaba ang Z standard din. Kaya siyempre, exe files niya may sila Z standard.exe, zstd.exe. Kaya ginawa ko mismo yung C standard.exe, zstd.exe. Padala ko probably, of course, sa Facebook, zstd.exe, data compression program. So, malamang, probably, nagulat sila doon. Kung meron silang dati, siyempre meron silang dati C standard.exe from 1970s and 80s.